Sup y'all, welcome back to the channel. I'm gonna teach you guys how to do a taper fade on this mullet haircut today. And here's the before and the after. First we're just gonna comb the hair and section it, put a clip on it. Just, we work with clean sections. Right here I'm just removing some bulk with my scissors, and then I'm using scissor over comb technique to remove more bulk. After all that scissor work, we're just gonna blow dry the hair, get it ready for the taper. Now for the taper, first step here, I like to plug on a number 2 guard or even a 1.5. Since I already did a lot of scissor work in the beginning, so it's easier for me to run the clipper through the hair and create a seamless transition for the taper. Right here I'm just using a 1 guard, open and closing the lever, fading the hair in. And then after this process, I'm gonna use a 0.5 guard. Do the same thing. And a quick tip here, when you're fading the hair, always use your corners to do the detailing. That's how you're gonna get rid of those harsh guidelines. Right here I'm just using 0 guard, lever playing, trying to fade out the bottom line. And right here I'm just using a shaver to clean up the bottom. After fading the hair, we're gonna line up the C cup. And as you can see here, I'm going really slow with the lineup. When you're lining up the hair, you want to make sure you're going really slow and precise. And here you go, we're all done with the low taper. We're gonna line up the neckline as well and do the same for the other side for the taper fade. And if you got to this part of this video, thank you so much for watching. If you like more hair content or any barber tutorials, videos like this, make sure you drop a like and subscribe. And here's the final product, low taper fade on that mullet cut. I'll see you on the next one.